Hello beautiful people, it's been a while. Welcome back to another video with Rhoda Monjo. Make sure you hit the subscribe and like buttons and comments below. In this video we are going to use thyme tea to make a body cream. Please stay to the end of the video where I'll be giving the benefits of the thyme plant to the skin. So we'll start by combining the components of the oil phase. Cethyl alcohol will give our product some slip and add to its rich texture. Emulsifying wax ensures that water and oil mix properly to give it that creamy blend. I'm winning with olive oil because it has a silky feel and quickly absorbs into my skin. You can substitute olive oil with any other oil that best suits you. The next on our list is shea butter. Of course, it's not news that shea butter is packed with lots of vitamins, one of which is vitamin E to maintain a healthy looking skin. So now it's time for us to melt down our oil phase using the double boiler method. So a double boiler method is basically placing a pot or a pan on the stove with some water in it before adding in whatever contains your oil and water phase. This is to retain the properties of these ingredients even after being heated. It's important to have your water and oil phases at the same temperature when it comes to mixing. That's why you see me adding my water phase in this case, which is the thyme tea. So guys, thyme is a medicinal plant which has been used for hundreds of years to boost the immune system and to treat bruises and inflammations on the skin. It contains lots of vitamins and nutrients, among which is vitamin C, which helps to treat acne and skin inflammation. Also, it has vitamin A, which is an anti-aging vitamin. I made this thyme tea by heating water and thyme leaves together. And once it got that rich brown or darkish color, I took it off the stove and allowed it to cool down so I could strain and use it later on for this video. So here I'll be adding in my cinnamon essential oil, which is mainly for its fragrance. You can add whichever you want to. Also, I'll add in some vitamin E, which will help prevent our oils from going bad. Lastly, we'll be adding in a preservative. Remember, this product will not last you if you don't use a preservative. It will go bad in a matter of days and it's going to grow mold, which is not good for your skin. Oh, before I forget, you can buy thyme from grocery stores. I actually bought mine in the market in Yaoundé. You can get it from the section where food spices are being sold. So guys, this is it for this thyme body cream. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like the video. And I'll also love to see your comment in the comment section. Thank you and have a wonderful day.